Now, let us look at another problem wherein P and Q belongs to R. If one root is there, that is 2 minus root 3. Minus root 3 is the root, okay, of the some quadratic equation. Then what would be the best choice on this, right? So let us see how do we solve this. So, the given equation, which is x square plus px plus q is equal to 0. Okay, this is given, and one root is given. That is one root is given. That is 2 minus root 3. The other root will be the conjugate of this. That is 2 plus root 3. So we know that sum is equal to alpha plus beta, right? So which is equal to minus b by a, right? So if you consider this as one root and this is another root, alpha and beta, so 2 minus root 3 plus 2 plus root 3, which is minus b by a. Here, if you look at this, here a is 1, b is p, and c is q. Let's put that minus b by a, which is minus p. So we got p as minus 4, okay, when we sum the two roots, okay. So the product will be alpha into beta, which is c by a, okay. So the first root is 2 minus root 3, and the second root is 2 plus root 3. So which is q by a, that is which is q. So this is 4 minus 3, which is equal to q, or q is equal to 1. So we got p and q. So uh, here as a, let us substitute p and the q values for the given first choice, which is q square plus p square plus 14. Okay, let us see. Q is 1, right? Q square, 1 square, and 4 into minus 4 plus 14. So, which is not equal to 0. So, which does not satisfy the equation. Let us have a look at that is p square minus 4q minus 12, right? So, p square, which is 16, right? And minus 4, right, into 1, right, which is again minus 4 only. So minus 12. So which is results to 0. So the required result is p square minus 4q minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is uh, the answer. Let us look at another problem. You got the area of the region which is enclosed by the circle, which is x square plus y square is equal to 0 and is not common, okay, to the region which is bounded by the parabola, which is y square is equal to x, and the straight line which is y is equal to x. So let us see the possible answers. Okay, so well well the equation of the circle, which is x square plus y square is equal to 2. So the general form of this will be x square plus y square is equal to r square. So so here the area, which is equal to 2 pi r square, or area is equal to sorry, area is pi r square, uh, which is 2 pi, okay. And also we have been given the curve, that is y is equal to x, and y square is equal to x. Okay, so x will be ranging from 0 to 1 here. and here x also will be ranging from 0 to 1. So let us look at the required area. So the required area will be 2 pi minus um, that is area which is enclosed by y square is equal to x, and y is equal to x. So this which is you need to find. Okay, so let us move further. And so this is the figure. This is the circle, which is x square plus y square is equal to 2. And you have the straight line y is equal to x, and the curve, the parabola, which is y square is equal to x. Okay, and this is the region which we are going to find, R. Okay, so required area. So that is 2 pi. Now this will be minus integral. As I said, x ranges from 0 to 1, right? And y square is x, or root x minus x, right? Into dx. Okay. So when we try to simplify, 2 pi minus, this will be 2x e by 2 by 3 minus x square by 2. Okay, 0 to 1. Fine. So this is 2 pi minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to, after simplifying, this will be 12 pi minus 1 by 6. So this is the required. So now let us look at another problem wherein the region is this, right? So uh, that is, you got to find the area, that region. Okay. So let us find the solution for this, right? So let us see that how do we solve it. Okay, so here we have x comma y, which belongs to R2, which is two-dimensional x and y plane. So the given is 4x square is less than equal to y. Okay, is less than equal to 8x plus 12. So this means that y is equal to 4x square and y is equal to 8x plus 12. So these we get from this inequality. So if you look at this, y is common for both. So this will be 4x squared, which is equal to 8x plus 12, or this is your f of x. Okay, so minus and minus is equal to 0. This is your f of x. Okay, and when we rewrite this, so this is x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. To get the roots, which is x belongs to minus 1 and 3. So we got x values. Okay, so let us have a look at the figure. So we got this. This is the curve, okay, which is y is equal to 8x plus 12, and this is, I mean, I guess this is y is equal to 4x square, right? So this is the equation of the straight line. Y is equal to 8x plus 12, and these are the limits, and this is the required region. Okay. is the required region. Okay. So, yeah. So we got the uh, limits, which is required area, which is equal to -1 to 3. Uh, this is your equation, which is this 8x plus 12 minus 4x square, okay, which is dx. So, which will be 8 by 2x square under the limit -1 to 3, and plus 12x minus 1 to 3, and this is minus 4x cubed by 3 minus 1 to 3. So, which will lead to 128 by 3. So, this is the required solution or the area region. So, here you can see the region. Okay. So, this is the region which we get. Okay. Let us look at next problem. That is the image. The image of the interval is -1 and 3. Okay. And under the mapping R to R, function R to R, your function is given. So let us look at this. Okay. Fine. So let us solve that. So let us consider the interval 1 -1 comma 3, which is which can be written as -1 comma 1 union 1 and 3. Okay. So the function f of x is 4x cubed minus 12x. Okay. So when you put my x as -1, you get this as 8. And if you put f of that is 0, which is 0, and 1, if I put, you get -8. Okay. And let us put f of 3 here. So if I put the value of 3, so we get 72. So you can see here, so -1 and 3 are the endpoints. So here the best choice for the mapping R to R, the function R to R, which is -8 comma 72. Now let us look at another problem. If A is 1 comma 2 and B is 3 comma 4, so number of relations, so R, okay, so from A to B, what will be? And also I'll be solving this also, 16th one, the number of relations of set A of n elements, 2 to the power of 16. So both this. Okay, let us have a look at this. How do we solve it? Okay. So we know that the relation, we know that the total number of relation, okay, total number of relation uh, on A of the set A, uh, from A to B, right? A to B is A has got um, has two elements, 1 and 2. Okay, B has got 3 and 4. So here you can see two elements. So the number of relations from A to B will be 2 to the power of m into n, which is 2 into 2, which is 2 to the power of 4. Okay. And uh, and we'll have a look at the second one. Okay. So here, if the number of relations on a finite set A, n elements, so which is 2 to the power 6, then what will be the value of n? So let us see that. Okay. So here we know that the total number of relations in a finite set having n elements will be 2, which is n into n. So A to A, right? A has got n elements. Again, B, which is represent as A, which has got n elements. So which is 2 to the power of n into n, or can be written as 2 to the power of n square, which is equal to 2 to the power of 16. So n square will be 16, or n is 4. So this is the answer. Okay.